Did you know democracy is more than just voting? It's about giving power to the people. Here's a fascinating start. The first known democracy was in Athens, Greece, over 2,500 years ago. But here's the twist. Only about 10 to 20% of the population could actually participate. Imagine that. Fast forward to today, democracy aims to be inclusive, giving every adult a say in the decisions that affect their lives, no matter where they are. Now let's travel through time and space. Did you know that no two democracies are exactly the same? That's right. From the ancient assemblies of Athens to the digital voting platforms of Estonia, democracies vary as much as cultures do. Some countries practice direct democracy, where citizens vote on laws themselves. Others have representative democracy, where elected officials make those decisions. But wait, there's more. The world's oldest continuous democracy is said to be in Iceland, established in 930 AD. That's over 1,000 years of people power. And in some places, like New Zealand, democracy led to groundbreaking moments, like granting women the right to vote in 1893, a world first. Democracy is not just about the act of voting. It embodies values of freedom, equality, and participation. It encourages dialogue, dissent, and the exchange of ideas. It's the foundation of human rights, where every voice has the right to be heard and every vote can tip the scales of history. Beyond just systems and processes, democracy fosters a culture of cooperation, respect, and understanding. It teaches us that despite our differences, the common good must always be our guiding principle. And as we face global challenges, from climate change to social inequality, the principles of democracy are more vital than ever. Remember, democracy is both a legacy from our ancestors and a loan we take from future generations. It's a living, evolving system that thrives on participation. So, what does democracy mean to you? How can we ensure it remains vibrant and responsive in the digital age? Let's dive deeper into what makes democracies around the world both unique and united, and why nurturing this ideal is crucial for humanity's future.